Today it's become like this. Sunrise means they watch it on the phone screen, sunset means they watch it on the phone screen. Yes? So losing connection with all that supports and manages our life is going to be a serious challenge of the future. But this is one thing that you can do. If you have children, vacation means don't take them to Mumbai, Bangalore, Dubai, some other place. Just take them, walk them in the jungle. Or take them on a small boat out there, or whatever. Some exposure to nature is needed. You will see how excited children will get and how involved they will become. You need to understand this, your physiological and psychological health can be very easily managed if you're in touch with the elements of nature, of water, soil, light and things like that. If the more exposed you are, the more balanced you are both physiologically and psychologically, which must happen to every human being.
ஒரு மகத்தான அலை உருவாக்கிடலாமா? எந்த மாதிரி அலை? ஆனந்த அலை பண்ணிடலாமா?